As the evening sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow across the landscape, a modern curved mobile home stands quietly amidst a serene, natural setting. This chamber trailer, a perfect blend of contemporary design and rustic charm, offers both mobility and comfort, a sanctuary on wheels. The exterior of the trailer is a stunning display of craftsmanship with sleek, curved lines wrapped in rich wooden panels. The warm tones of the wood complement the surrounding trees, allowing the trailer to blend seamlessly into the environment while still making a bold architectural statement. Its design strikes a balance between modern sophistication and organic simplicity, creating a space that feels both stylish and inviting. Large glass window and doors dominate the facade, inviting the soft evening light to pour into the cozy interior. These expansive panes of glass not only provide breathtaking views of the natural surroundings but also blur the boundaries between inside in and out, creating an open, airy atmosphere. A dust settle. The soft glow from within the trailer radiates through the windows, giving the home a warm, welcoming presence against the darkening sky. Step inside, and the interior unfolds as a heaven of comfort and elegance. The open concept layout maximizes the compact space, making it feel both functional and cozy. A plush sitting area complete with a stylish sofa adorned with soft cushions and draw from the heart of the living space. A simple yet elegant coffee table sits at the center, adorned with subtle decorative items, a small vase with wild flowers, a few carefully chosen hooks, and a softly flickering candle that adds to the tranquil ambience. The interior design embraces minimalism without sacrificing personality. The curved walls echoing the fluid lines of the exterior create a sense of flow and continuity. Light natural tones dominate the color palette, complemented by natural material like wood and linen, reinforcing the connection to the outdoors. Clever storage solutions are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring the space remains uncluttered and serene. Beyond the living area, the compact kitchen offers modern amenities tailored to fit the minimalism lifestyle. Sleek countertops, hidden cabinets, and state-of-the-art appliances make cooking both convenient and stylish. Every detail is thoughtfully considered, from the placement of lighting fixture to the choice of texture, striking a perfect balance between practicality and charm. As the night sky deepens, the atmosphere inside the mobile home grows ever cozier. The soft ambient lighting casts gentle shadow across the wooden walls, and the flicker of candlelight adds a sense of calm. Through the large glass window, the silhouettes of trees sway softly in the evening breeze, creating a serene backdrop for this modern retreat. Parked beneath the clear night sky, surrounded by the quiet whisper of nature, this curved modern mobile home is more than just a place to stay, it is a lifestyle. It represents freedom, the ability to chase a horizon without leaving the comfort of home behind. Whether nestled in a secluded forest, perched by a tranquil lake, or nestling along a quiet countryside road, it offers its owner the best of both worlds, the peace of nature with the elegance of modern design. Ultimately, this modern camper trailer is a symbol of thoughtfully living. It's a mobile sanctuary where every curve of its design and every beam of soft lights creates an atmosphere of warmth, simplicity, and wonder, a perfect harmony between movement and stillness between home and horizon.